Namaste from Techraman, I am Lakshmirajan. In this video, I am going to do the Honor 10 Lite unboxing, and you can also check the camera samples in this video. Last Jan in 2018, Honor launched the 9 Lite, and this is the follow-up to this model. So we have here the Honor 10 Lite. I am not sure about the price right now, but I will be updating it once the phone is officially launched here in India. So let's do the unboxing and the first impression of this phone right now. Out of the box, you get the 10 Lite phone. What I got here is the black variant. While the sky blue gradient is also going to be available, we need to wait and watch if the red comes in. Pin, user guide, soft transparent back case, micro USB cable and 10 watts charger. Let's power on the device. The home page. This is the first Honor phone to come with the water drop notch or tear drop notch or dew drop notch, whatever people call it. They have also accommodated notification light in the notch. The body is plastic with a gloss finish. The gradient blue would be my pick though. The phone weighs 162 grams and measures 8 mm in thickness. The sides and curves are smooth and good to hold with no sharp edges. Backside has a dual camera setup, LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. On top you have the SIM tray and a mic. It's a hybrid dual SIM with dual voltage support. The bottom houses the audio port, mic, micro USB port and a speaker. Right side has power and volume buttons within easy reach. The display is 6.21 inch with IPS LCD type and offers Full HD Plus resolution. There is no Corning Gorilla Glass protection, but there is a screen guard pre-applied. Display is good, bright and colors are seen well. The bezels are fairly thin for this segment. Display settings has the eye care mode and comes with TUV Rainland certification. Notch can be hidden if you want to. The phone runs on Android Pie based EMUI 9. It comes with a few new features. I would do a separate features video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Digital well-being feature helps you not to overuse the phone and gives an idea how much hours you spend on the phone. Game mode is now app assistance with an option to add D&D mode to any app of your choice. So if you're watching Netflix, you can do so without any disturbance. There is a system navigation gesture if you want to enable it. App Twin is also supported. 10 Lite is powered by Kirin 710 processor, the same as seen in 8X. The phone I have has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. 3GB variant also would be available, but I am not sure about the 6GB RAM. GPU Turbo is here, but they have updated to 2.0 version. Initial use gives a positive vibe. We'll do a gaming review shortly. Moving to camera, the highlight here is the 24 megapixel selfie camera with Sony IMX576 sensor. The front camera also has AI with 8 scene recognition. Rear has a dual camera setup with a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera setup with f1.8 aperture. Let's see some sample photos. Videos can be taken up to 1080p, there is no EIS. There is a 3400 mAh battery. I will talk about the battery life in the full review. So that's about the Honor 10 Lite, and hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this, do share the comment. So that's about the Honor 10 Lite, and if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and show your love. Lakshmirajan signing off for Techraman. Have a great day. Cheers.